8.2. Question number 1. Two numbers are in the ratio 5:8. If the sum of the two numbers is 182, find the numbers. So here the two numbers are given in the ratio. So we can assume here the unknown two number. Let the two numbers be, the first number we take here 5 and the common ratio be x, and that of the second number which is equals to 8x. Now here hints given as per the condition here, the sum of the two number is 182. So now according to the question, so we take here the sum of the two numbers which is equals to 182. So which means here the first number we have 5x plus our second number 8x, which is also equals to 182. So like terms we can group together, 8x plus 5x, which is equals to, we have here 13x, which is also equals to 182. Therefore we need a value of x which is equals to 182 is divided by 13. So with 13 you'll have to cancel here, 13 into 1, 13, so which is equals to 5 in hand, which is now 13 into, which is 4. So x equals to, we have here, that is 14. Now you can substitute here, then our first number which is we have taken here 5x, which is equals to 5 into x value, we have here 14, that implies to 5 4s are 20, 2 in hand, again 5 1 5, so plus 2 70. So again here the second number we have here 8x, which is that implies to 8 into x, we have already got the value, which is 14, that implies to now 8 4s are 32, so 3 in hand, 8 1 8 plus this equals to 11. So the two numbers are 70 and 112. Now question number 7 here, the denominator of a rational number is greater than its numerator by 4. If the numerator is increased by 11 and the denominator is decreased by 1, the new number becomes 7 by 3. Find the original number or the fractions. So you can assume with the unknown parameter. So according to this statement here, the unknown parameter is our numerator, because here the denominator is greater or the bigger than the numerator by 4. That means here the unknown parameter is our numerator value. So which is we assume with the unknown parameter, that implies here, so let the numerator of the fractions be, we consider here x, and that of the denominator which is equals to, now the denominator is greater than the numerator by 4, so which is equals to x plus 4. So with this you can form the fractions. So then the fractions is given by numerator divided by denominator. So numerator x upon denominator x plus 4. So this will be our original number. To get the original number, we need the value of x here. So according to our question here, as per the questions, if the numerator is increased by 11 and denominator is decreased by 1. So now we take here, as per the question here, first we take the fractions, which is x upon x plus 4. So it's clearly given the numerator is increased by 11. So numerator plus increase plus by 11, so plus 11. Then denominator is decreased by 1. Denominator decrease, which means minus 1, and it becomes a new fractions, which is equals to 7 divided by, we have here 3. Now what we do here, so we can take here a cross multiplications here, because x plus 11 not possible to add, and if you want here you can reduce one more step or increase one more. So we have here x plus 11 divided by, we have x 4 minus 1, which is equals to 3, but sign still will be a positive, which is also equal to 7 divided by 3. Now not possible to add here both the places. The only step left, that is one must have to apply a cross multiplications. So with this 3 you'll have to multiply the numerator plus, which is x plus we have here 11, that implies or equals to, with 7 you'll have to multiply x plus we have here 3. Now one must have to open the bracket, at the same time you'll have to multiply. So we can see here with 3 you can multiply, 3 into x can be taken here, 3x plus again 3 into 11, that is yes 33, also equals to 7 into x, which is equal to 7x plus 7 into 3 which is equals to 21. Now one must have to collect the like terms, all the variables bring to the left hand side. So plus will become here minus 7x. Now the number we take to the right side, so this will become here minus we have here 33. Then we can see here 7x minus 3x equals to 4x, but sign will be negative because 7 is greater, it has a minus sign. Likewise here right hand side, 33 minus this, so 3 minus this will be 2, 3 minus 2 will be 1, but sign will be yes, that is minus. So minus minus we can cancel. After that what you will have to do here, so therefore one must have to get a value of x, so x equals to 12. So you can take the coefficient of x to the right side, so it will become here divided by 4, so which is equals to here x equals to 4 into yes, that is 3 times. So that is how we have got the value of x. To get the number here you'll have to substitute the value of x on these fractions. So then the fractions which is equals to, we have written here, that is yes, that is x divided by x plus we have here 4. So x, the value we have already proved above 3, again x which is 3 plus we have here 4, then that is equals to 3 divided by 7, which is our original number. The digit in the tens place of a 2-digit number is 3 times that in the ones place. If the digits are reversed, the number will be 36 less than the original number. Find the number. So here you'll have to start with the unknown parameter. So the unknown parameter will be the unit place number. So here consider, let the unit or ones digit place number or ones digit number be, we consider here x and the tens digit number, which is equals to, the number is 3 times that in the ones place. That means 10 digit place number is 3 times that of the unit place, which is, it will be 3 times, so 3 into x. Then here you'll have to form the number, then the number formed by these two places is given by, so unit place we have x, so with this you can multiply, so 1 into x, which is equals to 1x plus again 10 plus occupied by 3x, so 10 into 3, which is equal to 30x, which is also equals to like terms, so we can add these two together. That is how we have here 31x. And after that you can also find the reversed number. So reversed number equals to, reverse here, so ones place will become 10 plus, tens will become unit place. So just you'll have to interchange these two only. So 1 will become here 10, so it will be 10x plus here now 10 will become 1, so 1 into 3x, which is equals to 3x equals to, the sum of these two equals to 13x. So 31, if you reverse, then it will become 13x. Now as per the condition or the question here, if the digits are reversed, the number will be, so the number means here the reverse number, which is equals to our reverse number we have here 13x will be, which means equal 36 less, which means minus 36. Keep here a space followed by minus 36. Then the original number. So the real number here, which is original number 31x. Now collect the like terms we have here. 13x transpose minus 31, x equals to minus we have here 36. Again here now 31 minus 13, so 11 minus this, which is equals to 8x. Again 2 minus this will be 1, but sign still will be negative. Again, which is also equals to minus we have here 36. Minus minus are plus, so we can cancel here. Therefore, to get the value of x, which is equals to 36 upon, it will be 18. So now which 18 you can cancel here, so it's divisible by 18. 18 into 2. Now to find the number, one must have to substitute the value here of x in the given number or the equations. So then the required number, which is equals to, which is 31x. So 31x, which is equals to 31 into x value I've got here 2, which is equals to 31 into 2, which is equal to 62 is the original number. The age of Ruby and Reshma are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years later, their age will be in the ratio 3:4. Find their ages. So here one must have to find the age of Ruby and Reshma. So assume, let the present age of Ruby be, so we can just consider here the Ruby age be 5, and the common ratio one must have to take here constant value x, and that of the Reshma, whose age we consider here 7x. So it's clearly given here 4 years later, which means after 4 years, 4 years later, the age of Ruby will be present age plus number of year, which is 4. So we consider here years, even here we don't know, so it can be just assumed here 5x plus 4. And that of the age of Reshma, so present age we have here 7x. So after, which means plus 4 years. So it's clearly given here 4 years later, their ages will be in the ratio 3:4. So as per the condition here, we know that the ratio of these two ages, which is equals to the age of Ruby upon the age of Reshma, which is equals to, given here 3:4, which means here 3 divided by 4. So now what you will have to do here, that is you'll have to take here a cross multiplications. We get here, then if you take here a cross multiplications with 4, you'll have to multiply. So we get here 4 into 5x plus 4. Likewise here on the other side with 3 into 7x plus we have here 4. So that will give here 4 5s are 20x plus again here 4 4 will be 16 equals to again 7 3 will be 21x plus 3 4, which is equals to 12. So now you can collect the like terms here. So we can collect the like terms, which is equals to, so we have here 20x, bring this to the left hand side, so we get here minus 21x, also equals to right hand side 12. Take this plus 16 to the right side, so it will give you here minus, that is 16. So 21 minus 20 equal to 1x, sign will be negative, also equals to 16 minus 12, which is 4, but sign will be negative because 16 is bigger, it has a minus sign. So minus minus are plus. Then now we can substitute the value of x on Ruby's age and that of the Reshma. So therefore the age of Ruby, which is we have taken there 5x, that implies to, then 5 into x value I've got here 4, then 5 4s are 20 years, and the age of Reshma, which is equal to 7x, that implies to 7 into x. X means here 4, which is equal to 7 4 will be 28 years.